Jackson, here's your basket. Come here, buddy. Look. Take your basket. Take the basket and go find your Cocotte Puck. Do you see it? Do you see them? Where are they? Look. Look over here. Oh, you got one. Yeah, put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Very good. You see more? Yeah. You got another one. Put it in your basket. Are there more over there?
Yeah.
Okay, go get them. Orange, that's right. Put it in your basket. More?
Yeah, Mom.
Look around here. Look around here.
Oh, it's blue.
It's blue. Got a lot of those. Oh, reach, 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 reach. You got it. Good job. Put it in your basket. I think there's probably one left. Do you see a green one anywhere?
Oh, yeah.
Where's your green one? Oh, that's right. Do you have 6? How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have them all. You want to come open them? Come open your Cocotte Puck. Come sit down.
The other bit.
Open it.
The other bit.
Oh, what's all that? Whoa. What fell out of your Cocotte Puck?
Oh, it's cow.
A car. And look, you got little chocolates too?
Look at it, too.
Ooh.
Yeah, Mommy.
Yeah, nummy. Do you want to open another Cocotte Puck? There you go. Open more. Open them. You can open it. Want to open the blue one?
Yeah. Fine.
What's in there? Chocolates. Oops. You have chocolate all over the place. Open your other ones too. Want me to help you?
Yeah, I do.
There you go. More chocolate. Whoa, Jackson has a lot of chocolate. Nummy. Open the other ones. You open your other
The other bit.
Yeah, after breakfast we'll eat them, okay?
The bit.
Yeah, we'll
Mommy.
open it later, okay? Open these ones. Look. You have more Cocotte Puck.
Yeah.
Squeeze it.
The other bit.
Open it.
The
Oh,
other
whoops. Oh, look. A car. 2 cars? Wow. What color is that car?
bit. Orange.
Very good. There's this Easter grass everywhere, right? You want to open another one?
Yeah.
Pull. Pull it open. It's hard, eh? Let me help you a little bit. There you go. What's in there? Oh, a big egg. Wow, that's a big one.
The
Ooh.
other bit.
Yeah, we'll open them later. You have one more left.
The other bit.
You gonna open this one? There you go. Put this one down. Put it down. What's in there? Oh, more chocolate and what's that? Stickers. Do you like the stickers? Welcome. Gonna go find your Easter basket? Oh, let's go find your Easter basket. Let's go find it. Where is it? Come, let's go find it. Easter basket, where are you? Come. Do you see an Easter basket? Where is it? You want to go look in Mommy's room? Okay, go on. Mommy's room. Where's Mommy's room? That way. Do you see an Easter basket anywhere? And look in there. Do you see an Easter basket? There it is. Wow. Is that your Easter basket?
Yeah.
Mommy gonna bring it?
Oh.
Oh. Put it down. What's this? Too. There was that too. Look, put your finger in the mouth. Push on the tongue. Oh, no, don't break it, don't break it. Wow. See? No, you just put your finger here. What's all that? Ooh, you got a chocolate Easter bunny. Do you like chocolate?
Yeah.
What else do you have in your basket, Jackson? No, we're not going to eat it right now. We'll eat it later, okay? We'll put it over here. Put it there. Look what else is in your basket. What's in here? Ooh, what's that? New Susies. Are they nice? We'll open it later. Look. Oh, you got more chocolate in here. What's that? That's the cut sandwiches. What shape is that? Is that an elephant?
Yeah,
Elephant. Oops. Here's some bath toys. Ooh, play with that in the bath? Open it? Yeah, Mommy gonna open it.
Yeah.
What else is in there? What else is in your Easter basket? What's in here? What's that? Oh, a crocodile. Yep. Mommy gonna open it. Oh, and look, you have a bibby. Like a monkey. Mommy gonna open. No bibby. Jackson, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.